Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will know how to set privacy safe in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the settings and click on password and security and click on privacy password and give the privacy password for entering into your phone, and here click on private safe and click on images and videos and click on plus symbol. You can add some images and videos here to hide. I have selected these three and click on set as private, and yes, these images and videos will be in private. You can only see it by using your privacy password. You can also add audio here. If you have any audio, you can add. Yes, added. And if you have any document, you can add here. There is no document as of now in my phone, and other files here you can add. So in this way you can easily set private safe, so you can hide photos and videos using private safe in your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.